You have reset your phone and lost all your phone contacts, then don't need to worry, this video is for you. Watch this video till the end to get back all your contacts. So I have done the same thing. I reset my phone and lost my all contacts, then I restored them by going to settings. Just go to settings, just follow what I do. Now go to this option Google. In my phone this option is in settings. You can find it in more settings, or you can check it in other section. It will be there, this Google option. Just click over it. Now herein you can see my name, and herein you can go to this option at the bottom, setup and restore. Just click over it. Now click on restore contacts. So all the contacts which were saved in my phone, maximum of them restored. You can see my contacts are restored. Now I am facing no problem, and I got my all the contacts. So you can follow these steps and get back your contacts once again. In case you face any problem, just comment below and I will reply you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.